So let's take a moment to think and also kind of mentally step through what we would do before a cyber breach or incident happened within our environment. By the way, I'm Demetrius Malbrough, cloud advocate here at Veritas, standing here in TLDR fashion to give you some best practices and insights around what you can do before a breach happens in order to make sure that you can recover confidently and quickly as part of a 360 defense framework within your organization to protect your business. So let's talk about a heterogeneous asset inventory. And what is a heterogeneous asset inventory? Now, think of it as a mashup between your CMDB, tapping into your CMDB, or using an addition to your CMDB, and as part of your IT asset management and configuration management systems, that you tap into all the assets within your environment. That's including getting a handle around any unknown systems that may not have been decommissioned in your environment and really having that full visibility into all the systems that are on your network within your environment, because that's key in order to identify the systems that were infected. So let's think about everything within your environment. So globally, all of the systems that are making your data, your applications hum in your environment. So that includes everything that's sitting in all of your cloud environments, hybrid cloud, all of the infrastructure there, your virtual machines, your hypervisors, and even your physical servers as well, and all of the communications in between them, your networking components, and most importantly, that's housing that information is your storage. So if you have a handle on all of these assets, you keep them updated, you have a way that you're keeping tabs on all of these particular assets within your environment. You can do some key things around, number one, monitoring all of these assets to make sure that you have a pulse on each asset in case a breach happens, that you're able to maybe do the second thing, which is some type of form of alerting so your security operations center can leap into action and respond. And then also for compliance perspective, you can do some type of reporting. Now, these are all critical in getting an entire global view of all of your IT assets. And this is everything. I mean, all the laptops, all your employee laptops, your mobile phones, your IoT devices, all of the servers in your environment. You have to know exactly which environments spin up, which ones decommission from the environment. Because if a breach happens, you need to be able to quickly identify those assets. And a heterogeneous asset inventory is the key to tapping into that information, into that data, and to make sure that you can respond quickly. And also, I'm sure you've heard of NIST. And as part of NIST, this also complies with the identify portion of it and also the asset management portion of it as well, that you have all of your physical devices in your environment inventoried. So please make sure that your entire backup and recovery portfolio and platform, your data protection systems, your data governance systems all tap into and have some type of heterogeneous asset inventory, giving you that full visibility and global view within to your most critical assets, which is your data. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also hit that like button for us, and I'll see you on the next TLDR video.